Ashtakam is a Sanskrit Ashtakam in devotion of Krishna composed by Hindu Bhakti saint Vallabha.
Vallabha was a Telugu Brahmin who propagated Pushti Marg, which emphasized on the unconditional bhakti and seva of Krishna.
According to legend, when Krishna himself appeared in front of Vallabha on the midnight of Shravana Shukla Ekadasi, the philosopher composed the Madhurashtakam in the praise of deity.
So audience, let's put your hand together to cheer up our one and only Dipali Pant.
Dipali
Thank
Pant,
you.
please come to the stage.
तालियां तालियां प्लीज तालियां.
सही मत जाइए, उसके बाद और एक जबरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस आने वाला है संबलपुरी. दिल थाम के बैठिए.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare